Business Process Modeling Notation, or BPMN, is a standard notation system for describing business processes. It was designed to solve communication problems that arise when different parts of a company use different types of notation, but they need to work together. For example, a management team might design a process and hand it off to the IT department to implement, but IT needs more specific information than is captured in the management notation. The foundational principles behind BPMN help you create clear diagrams with a minimum of clutter, while including as much complex information as you need. Here's an example, a change of address process at Prosware Inc. It looks fairly simple, but there's a lot of information here, and most of the basic BPMN elements are used. There really aren't that many basic elements in BPMN. In fact, there are 4: flow objects, connecting objects, swim lanes, and artifacts. Flow objects are the main objects you see in the process, the squares, diamonds, and circles. Those are the only 3 types of flow objects. Squares represent activities, generally tasks. Diamonds represent gateways, usually decisions of some kind. Circles represent events. Connecting objects are the lines and arrows that connect the other objects and show the direction of the process flow. There are 3 types, but I'll explain those later. They're easier to understand in context. Swim lanes are the same as in other cross-functional flowcharts. Each person or group involved in the process has a lane. Each activity is put into the lane of the person or group responsible for that step. BPMN also has the concept of pools, which are separate, self-contained entities involved in a process. For example, 2 companies transacting business, or a company as one pool and customers as a second pool. The last type of element, artifacts, are for adding information and details, but they aren't part of the structure of the process. Artifacts include text annotations, group boxes that show relationships, and data objects like emails or documents. In the next video, I'll show how these basic elements are turned into the specific steps that are used in the example diagram.